Okay, boys and girls, let's take a look at lesson 11-6, breaking apart fractions. Okay, so it says write each fraction as the sum of unit fractions. So we need to use unit fractions to break apart the fraction 3/8. And again, unit fraction is always going to be 1 over the total. Okay, unit means 1, our base 10 blocks. Units are ones. And then it says sum, so we know that we're going to be adding the unit fractions to equal 3/8. So we're going to go ahead and put our equal sign. We know that the total is 8, so that means that my denominator for my unit fraction is going to be 1/8. And all we're really doing here when we are adding, again, we're adding, finding the sum. The sum is 3/8. We're going to use unit fractions to write the sum of 3/8. So 1/8 is the unit fraction. 8 is going to stay the same. We are only adding the top numbers. So we're thinking to ourselves, how many of these ones do I need to add together to equal 3? 1, 2, 3. 3 of them. So 3 unit fractions of 1/8. So 1/8 plus 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 3/8. And this number line shows us that, okay? Here we have 3 individual parts that are each 1/8. As we increase, we're adding another unit fraction of 1/8. So we have 1/8 plus another 1/8 equals 2/8 plus another 1/8 equals 3/8. And that's where we dot on the number line, 3/8. Let's look at number 2. Okay, again, we're using unit fractions, so 5/6. The unit fraction for 5/6 is going to be 1 over the total, which is 6. My top number is 5. We're using unit fractions, so we're going to be adding 1 5 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 5. And that's what we're going to do. So plus 1/6 plus 1/6. If I stop right here, this is not going to equal 5/6. This is going to equal 3/6 because 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. I need to keep going. Plus 1/6. That's a total of 4/6. I need one more. Plus 1/6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's what we want. Here's another one. Equal sign first. We're using unit fractions. And we're separating the unit fractions with a plus sign. My bottom number is 6, so that means that my bottom number down on the bottom, my denominator, needs to be 6. So 1/6 is the unit fraction for 4/6. I need 4 of these unit fractions to equal a total of 4/6. So 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 4/6.